play on this kind of turfs, if you go outside, you have to pay at least 300 per head per hour.
प्रोफेसर थे वो, मैं गया वहाँ पे. I thought कि यार स्टूडेंट होंगे, पीएचडी स्टूडेंट होंगे, तो I was like, can I have 5 minutes of your time please? So it's been like 1 month here at ISC and I have no clue कि football ground कैसा दिखता है, कैसा lawn tennis ground कैसा दिखता है, no clue. But what I thought was, the first time I'll go, I'll make a vlog out of it. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do. So what's so special about the football ground here at ISC is it's FIFA certified. What that essentially means is कि the standard is really good and they have spent a huge chunk of money. काफ़ी सारा investment है football ground पे, तो I guess उसको जाके explore करना तो बनता है. I have called some seniors, I guess 3rd, 4th या 5th years के कुछ seniors हैं and they will be able to tell much better कि क्या होता है वहाँ पे, कैसा होता है, because I also don't know कि क्या क्या होता है वहाँ पे. So let's see. What you see over there, that is not an apartment, those are the new boys hostels. They look amazing, they are amazing. I'll probably make a video on that, but उससे पहले मिलो तो वो यार मिल ही नहीं रहे वाले hostel. I am currently living here in the guest house and this is the KV playground. Now you ask कि just सामने एक playground था, कभी यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं गया? I don't have an answer for that, but here's the KV playground and इसके उस तरफ we'll have the football ground and other things. Yeah, we'll check them out. This is the NBH New Boys Hostel और ये छोटा सा रास्ता that seems like it's leading to nowhere. ये जाता है जिमखाना, जो कि मुझे पता नहीं था, मैं तो घूम के जाने वाला था, but Edwin here he told कि भाई ये shortcut है, तो let's go there. Everything is here and it is so nicely connected to the campus. Just you have to take this overpass and you'll be here. You don't have to cross the road and nothing like that. That's the ground. ऊपर फ्लड लाइट्स वगैरह दे रखी हैं भाई रात में खेलने के लिए. So it's gonna be fun for all the cricket lovers. You also see that 4-lane का athletic track है इनके पास. This would have been also some certified cricket ground, but due to limitation of space हमको certification नहीं मिला. That's what our team told us. But it's still pretty good and decent size. I guess for all the practical purposes you can come here and play. This is the lawn tennis ground and we have 2 grounds. This one's synthetic and this one's, I don't know what you call it, but 2 ground hai. Meet Rahul, he is a professor here and I thought ki PhD student hai, so lot of pressure now. So sir, can you please tell me how often do you come here?
Yeah, so I'm very regular at the Gymkhana grounds.
Okay.
Since I've been here for more than 5 years, I just play every sport possible, like the cricket,
Okay.
part of the football club, part of the hockey club as well. But tennis is more recent. Like I just started a couple of weeks back.
Okay,
So an
okay.
old racket I had, just got it gutted.
You play very nicely, I've been देखा
Yeah, I
मैंने.
just enjoy playing sports.
Nice, nice, nice.
Try all possible sports.
Nice. So, how do you manage time, classes, and research and all?
I mean, I think it actually helps me whenever I come to play sports, and then it really resets me, and I have the energy back to do my research after that.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Yeah.
प्रोफेसर थे वो, मैं गया वहाँ पे. I thought कि यार स्टूडेंट होंगे, पीएचडी स्टूडेंट होंगे, तो I was like, can I have 5 minutes of your time please? And he was like, make it 2. And I was like, ठीक है. Then I asked कि what do you do, which department you are in, which year? I'm a faculty here. And I was like कि भाई क्यों चला गया मैं? But yeah, he was so nice यार. Proper video record करा लिया. And yeah, that's good thing about ISC. Everybody is so nice here. This is the hockey ground. It's very nice and very neat. बिल्कुल अभी newly constructed है. And this is the football ground. You see a lot of people are playing. The thing is, इस साल ही construct हुआ है, तो I guess these are the first batch of people playing in this ground because बिल्कुल freshly constructed है ये. and we'll try to find someone जो ज़्यादा explain कर पाएगा हमें what this is. But yeah, those are the grounds, and this is what I've shown you. That's the cricket ground. This is the hockey ground and the football ground. Here you have the lawn tennis. Meet Akarshit. Akarshit is a master student here, and he is a hockey player. So can you tell me something about this ground?
So this is basically the AstroTurf. This is artificial grass.
Okay.
So this is what is used in the generally in the international games.
Okay, okay. That grass, nice.
Yeah. So the pitch is like this only, and we can play here. Generally, we come at the evening, or at 6:30, and we play till the night. About 6:30 we come and we play till 8:30.
Okay, so there are floodlights and also.
So when it gets dark, then these floodlights they turn on, and
Okay.
so we can play till 8:30.
Nice, nice. And what are those machines?
So that machine, so basically water comes out from that machines.
Okay.
So basically when we play the game, before the start of the game, we generally wet it.
Oh.
So that the ball moves smoothly, more easily, and the pace of the ball is increased. So it is the normal procedure before every game to spray the ground with water.
Nice, nice, nice. And what is the process? How can one come and play here?
So there is no process as such. Anyone who wants to play, even as a beginner. So I am also a beginner. So anyone who is interested to play, they can come here. So there we don't have any
Okay.
formal procedure. Anyone who is the student here, they can come and they can play in the.
And
ground.
what
It
about
is
these
open.
bats? What you call
Okay,
that?
this is the shin guard. This is shin guard, which we wear below the socks.
Okay, okay.
To
And
protect from the ball.
institute provides this, or you have
Yeah,
to?
shin guard and hockey stick are provided by the college.
Oh, institute. It's perfect. Then तो फिर आके play कर सकते हैं, कोई
Yeah.
दिक्कत नहीं.
So we only need the shoes.
Okay, shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some different kind of shoes
Yeah,
you.
these are specially made for the hockey. There are rubber studs below.
Okay,
So
okay,
it
okay.
provide good control in the ground.
And that
we
makes
can run
sense. Like you don't have to destroy
Yeah.
the ground.
it. Yeah. So to preserve the ground and also to provide good control while running,
Okay.
these shoes are generally recommended.
Okay, nice, nice. Oh, the floodlights are on now. Nice. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Akshay is the football convener, right? And he is a fifth-year PhD student. So, can you tell me about this football ground? What is FIFA certified? What is that?
No, actually, if you look at the turf, this is not a natural grass. This
Okay.
is artificial turf. And when you construct these kind of turfs, if they satisfy certain dimensions and certain qualifications, then they are usually FIFA approved.
Oh, nice.
So the ISC, this one is approved by FIFA.
So it's very freshly constructed. अभी नया बना हुआ है क्या?
I think not more than 3 months.
Nice, nice. So you guys are the first people playing this.
Yeah.
Nice. So how do you? What's the process? Students कैसे आके खेल सकते हैं यहाँ पे?
No, see, it is open for all Gymkhana members. All students are by default Gymkhana members.
Okay.
But there are some other staff members, etc. So they also can play,
Nice.
provided
Nice.
they have Gymkhana membership.
So anything required? I see you all
Yeah,
are
so-
wearing some special shoes.
Yeah, you need like proper football shoes.
Okay, okay, okay.
So like this.
Okay.
Don't like no metallic ones.
Okay.
Spikes, because it will be damaging the top.
Nice, nice,
And
nice.
you have to wear shin guards for your own safety.
So does college provide any of this or?
No, this is our personal.
Okay.
For ISC team, etc., they provide some things, but not for all.
And football?
Footballs they do.
Okay,
Gymkhana
they provide.
provides them.
Nice. इतना सारा provide कर दिया है. What else you need,
So
right?
because shoes and all, it's very personalized.
Hmm.
It depends
Okay.
on your choice.
And what are the timings?
So the ground is open on all days unless and until it's a national holiday.
Okay.
But till 10:30 p.m.
10:30
And in the
p.m.
morning it opens at 6:30 a.m.
Okay.
So in the meantime you can play. But since the evening time is usually crowded, we have a slot system.
Okay.
One slot is from 4:30 to 6:30. Then next one is 6:30 to 8:30, and the last one is 8:30 to 10.
Okay. So is there like a division? Because guys are all in like uniforms and all and dressed, I guess.
Yeah. So actually, see, this is freshly opened. So otherwise, there is a separate ISC football team,
Okay.
men's team who represents ISC at various tournaments, etc. We have one recently coming up, which is called as Inter-ISER Sports Meet.
Okay.
It will happen in, I think, ISER Bhopal.
Oh, you're
This time.
preparing for that.
Not yet started, but that's why. So this uniform is for a team jersey. So yeah, that kind of segregation is there, but right now it's very new, this setup. So we are
Yeah, it looks amazing.
yeah.
Alright. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
To the football ground, you have this small office. There is a changing room, a lot of footballs inside, and a washroom. The good thing sir is told is the comparison. कितना benefit है सर अपन को यहाँ पे?
See, play on this kind of turfs, if you go outside, you have to pay at least 300 per head per hour.
Okay.
That's like at least.
Hmm.
Other ones are costlier.
This is basically free, right?
This is way better than what we have outside.
Yeah. But we have paid so much while we were studying, right? Gate ranks and all. That is our
I think it's kind of our
reward for that, right? भाई इनको बोलते हैं फैसिलिटीज़. कितना अच्छा ग्राउंड है, कितना ज़्यादा अच्छे से मेंटेन्ड है भाई, बहुत ही मस्त है. आई मीन इफ़ समबडी, आई एम नॉट दैट इनटू स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनली, बट इफ़ यू आर इनटू स्पोर्ट्स, इफ़ यू आर इनटू फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, hockey or lawn tennis, you're gonna love it here, honestly. So that should be one of the motivation that you get to have all of this if you study.